Hello and welcome everyone. In this series of videos, so we are going to have multiple sessions, multiple lectures. In this series of sessions, we are going to understand what is product interface. Now, I'm going to explain you about this in more details once we start with the first session. And in using this particular option, it will be easier for you to create assemblies. Now, in many conditions, we have people around us who are afraid to do an assembly because there is no proper link between the parts which we are not able to create. And to create the link, we normally use in NX something called as top-down assembly. To overcome that scenario, we have an option called as product interface, which brings the best of both worlds together in order to create a proper assembly. So let us start and let us understand how exactly we can create a simple assembly using product interface. And at the end of this video, I'll also explain you how assembly cloning work. Okay, how assembly cloning work. So this assembly is going to contain 4 components, and we are going to make this assembly in NX. I'm using a recent version of NX, one of the recent version. So try to follow along, try to understand what I'm doing, and also try to do it similarly.